Guys, this is Sanjay from FTC Team 7477, Super 7. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Java path class, which helps you work with file paths in a platform-independent way. So, whether you're working with file systems, directories, or file operations, the path class allows you to manage paths seamlessly and reliably. So, let's start with our required import statements. The first import statement would be import java.nio.file.path. This is used for retrieving the path of a file. The next import statement would be import java.nio.file.paths with an S. This is used for retrieving a plural paths. So to use a path class, we need to import java.nio.file.path and java.nio.file.paths. These classes belong to the NIO, which stands for New Input/Output Package, which was introduced in Java 7 to improve the handling. So let's actually see file paths in action. So to do this, we'd first create our class, which would be public class main, because our file name must match our class name. Next, we'd have our main method, which is public static void main string and args. So now let's actually start working. So to create a path object, we would do path, let's just call it path, equals paths.get, and I'm just gonna make a random directory. I'm just gonna make a random location in the system. So folder/subfolder/file.txt. This is just a placeholder/example. It's not an actual file on my computer. So to create a path object, we would use the path.get method, which passes a string that represents the path. This returns a path object that represents the file's location in the system. Next, let's talk about getting file information. So the way we could do this is by the use of some methods, right? So let's print them out using IntelliJ Solution Shortcut. The first thing is path.getFileName. Pretty self-explanatory. It returns the name of the file. So if I do this, you will get file.txt as our file name. Next, let's talk about the parent directory. So it's pretty self-explanatory as well. This method essentially returns a parent directory of the location. So path.getParent. So if I print this out, our parent would be folder/subfolder. So yeah, and the last one is file extension, which is pretty long. So I'll show it to you. It would be path.toString dot substring. Sorry, that's not a dot, that's a slash. Dot substring, and you would have path.toString inside the parentheses of substring dot last index of, and you would just have this. So this essentially extracts the file extension by manipulating the path string. So if we print this, you would get .text, which is just the file extension. So this represents the whole file, this represents the parent of the file, and this represents which type of file. So if I change this to .text, let's say it's a PDF, our extension would be PDF and our file name would be .pdf. Thank you guys for watching part 1 of files of the path class in Java. See you next time.